Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have got a product from Stanley, which is 6 volts and 12 volts battery of 4 amperes charge current, and it can charge SUVs batteries, motorcycle batteries, which are usually 6 volt, and boat batteries, and normal cars batteries. Plus there are tractor batteries as well. Whichever battery comes in 6 and 12 volts, it can charge it on the rate of 4 amps. So it comes with 2 years of limited warranty, and on the side there are some instructions in different languages, and on the back there's like 6 and 12 volts battery charger, maximum rate 4 amps. So it can charge a small battery like 6 volts battery, which is 4 amp hours to 80 amp hours, and bigger batteries charge maintainer. It can maintain charge of 4 amp hours to 120 amp hours. So let's unbox this, guys. Let's see what comes in the box. So the first thing we get is black and red clamps, battery clamps, and it's good quality clamps. Let's keep on the side. And the second thing we get is battery charger itself. It's packed really nicely. So this is Stanley battery charger, and it comes with 6 volt battery clamps as well. And here it's connector, which you guys will connect whichever clamp you guys are going to use. Like we can connect this way, and let's go and test it out, guys, with my generator battery and some other batteries like car battery, motorcycle battery, which is 6 volt or 12 volts, or car battery, and we'll test it out with our generator battery as well. So let's go, guys. So this is my generator over here, which is pretty dirty. It's okay if you guys can ignore this, and let's go and charge this battery, which is 12 volts and 50 amp hours. So let's see how much time it takes. We'll connect our charger with this battery, and we'll come tomorrow or today, and we'll check like how it's charging. It comes with a pretty long cable, as you guys can see, and here's the device itself. It's already started, and the clamps are pretty safe if you guys keep them together like this. It's okay, it's fine, because there's like extra plastic covers with the clamps. So this is my demo generator. So I'll go and charge its battery first. So we'll connect the black clamp with the black side, and the red clamp on the red side. And we'll go and check current battery voltage, which is 12.4 volts. It means like the battery is around 65 to 80% charged, but still we'll press the run button. So it has automatically determined that it's 12 volt battery, and now as you guys can hear, it's trickling. It's standard battery. Keep on charging this device. So we'll come back after 1 2 hours and we'll check like if it's fully charged or no. So now after 2 hours, let's see. It's still charging. Let's keep it overnight, and we'll check later in the morning. It's still on 13.7 volts. 13.7. So now I came back after around 5 to 6 hours. As you guys can see, it's full. So I'll just unplug this charger, and let's see, I'll try it on a bike or on my car. So let's see if it charges that battery as well. So now I've put my car battery at charge. Let's see how much voltage is there. 12.9. So it's connected already. Let's see in the morning. So now after charging overnight, in morning around after 7 to 8 hours, it's fully charged now. And as you guys can see here, the color has turned from black to green. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.